Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you a math lesson on my paper book. Can you see okay? No. Heck no, you can't. So you can watch me writing and stuff, but we're going to turn to page 504. If you don't have a book, just get a paper. And yeah, this video I'm not going to be showing my face, just because I have to kind of show you the paper too. So yeah, if you have a Envision book, math book, that is perfect, but you want to have the grade 2, volume 2. Okay, so I already did some of this in my last video because it didn't really work out, but so I didn't post it, but. So you're going to turn to page 504. At first, you're going to write your name at the top of the paper. Review what you know. Okay, so review, this is just review. This is kind of, I've passed through a lot of pages just because I feel like they're not much of learning. They're just much of reading. I'm not going to read. We're not in reading class. Okay, so we're at number 4. Pass all those 3 at the top. Okay, counting money. Circle the coins that total 83 cents, okay? I'm going to circle, and I'll tell you which one's at the end, but try it on your own first. So you can kind of see me. Okay, my setup is not the greatest. Don't really see my face in this video because I look like a mess. Hello, love. It's me. Hi, and the problem is me. I take time. Everybody agrees. I'll stand directly at the sun. But okay. Circle coins that equal total 83 cents. Okay. So, what I circled was 3/4. I'm sorry, I'm leaving you guys. So, what I circled was 8/4 with 3/4. Why 8? 3/4, 3/4, and a penny and a dime. I mean, not a dime, a nickel. I'm sorry. Okay. So, why? Because 25 plus 25 plus 25 equals 75. 75 plus 5, 80. Oh, I meant to circle 3 pennies. And then 80 plus 3 is 83. So that's ones I circled. See? Oh my gosh, my setup is the worst. Thinking my book just fell. And no, this does not have the answers. I'm honestly knowing at this point because I'm super smart. I've already done this stuff. This is kind of just review for me. I'm in 2nd grade. This is just review. I'm only gonna do this page and the 2nd page today because yeah, I also have some other stuff to read to you next. The next video. So okay. Number 5, break apart each number into 10s and 1s. This is breaking apart numbers. Okay, so I'm going to give you time to do this. While I do it. Comment down below on what you did, or like take a picture of what you did. Like for the 3 pages, I'm only looking for the 3 if you have a book, but like if you just have normal paper, I want you to show me on what you did. So the first one was blank plus blank equals 23. The second one was sorry, I just gave away the answer. Blank plus blank equals 47. Blank plus blank equals 96. Okay, let's get into it. If you still have the right answers, you might have done it a different way, but as long as you have the right answers, I'm not going to be mad. No. As long as you have the right answers, I'm not going to be mad. You don't have to be same exact, as long as it equals the same thing. Okay, so this is just like kind of looking. Yeah. Yeah, I'm only going to do the rest of this. Okay, so the first one I did 20 plus 3 equals 23. The second one I did 40 plus 7 equals 47. And then the third one was 90 plus 6 equals 96. Okay. Howie has packed $13. A backpack costs $30. How much more money does Howie need to buy the backpack? I'm telling you here, I'm not going to tell you the answer, but all you need to do is subtract. How much more? So how much more, always in math, tells you how to subtract. It literally, if you hear how much more, or yeah, anything that has more or fewer is subtracting. So, I'm sorry, I just moved the whole thing. You can do it in the white space, subtract. That's what I'm doing. You might need to regroup. Okay. Again, comment down below on what you did. I'll wait here. Blue, 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 green. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, 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 blue. Blue, 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 blue. I'm sorry. Okay, let's go over it. I'm bad at singing. So bad. Okay, let's go over it. So, here we are looking at this number. So what I did over here was 30 subtract 13. Make sure you don't put that 13 first, because you always put the bigger number first in subtraction. So, can I take 3 from 0? No. So I go over to the tens, I take the 3, I turn that into a 2, and I add it to the ones. I take the 0 and I add 10, and that turns into a 10. And then 10 minus 3 equals 7, and then 2 minus 1 equals 1. So that's why I came up with the answer of 17. Wow, you guys are smart. I want to show you everything that we did today. Wow. Well, without further ado, thank you for doing math with me today. Love y'all.